Welcome back. I'm going to show you guys a dryer vent cleaning. So it's my shop vac, just showing you it's not full, it's just got some buildup on the bottom. You can use any vacuum. I'd rather have something bigger, but I don't have it with me. And then I've taken this off and the lid and just kind of threw some tape in there, so this vacuum will be pulling suction through the dryer vent line as I clean it from the inside. We got our little brush here attached to a drill, dryer vent hole. Alright, so along with that big clump that we got out, that's all that on the filter, and then the bottom is what we got out of that dryer vent. So when I came out and looked at this job, this piece here wasn't getting blown up, and we had some extra residual come out of the vent, obviously, but this goes in there, and when the dryer's not running, it's supposed to go down and keep critters from getting in, and when it's running, it gets blown up, so it lets the air out, but all this debris in there is keeping that from happening. So dryer vent cleaning, there you go. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time.